rise above flood stage early Sunday afternoon to a crest of 39.8 feet Tuesday morning. It will then fall below flood stage late Friday morning. Flood stage is 38.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast on the Ohio River at Mount Vernon from late Sunday night to late Friday morning. At 6 a.m. Friday, the stage was 27.7 feet. The river will forecast on the Ohio River at Newburgh Dam 7 Tuesday and Sunday afternoon. It will then fall early Wednesday morning. It will rise to 35.7 feet early Wednesday afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Friday morning. Flood stage is 35.0 feet. What minor flooding is forecast? Ohio River at JT. Myers Dam. From Monday morning to Sunday, March 12th. At noon Friday, the stage was 25.9 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage Monday morning to a crest of 39.4 feet Wednesday evening. It will then fall below flood stage Saturday, March 11th. Flood stage is 37.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Ohio River at Shawneetown. From Monday morning to Sunday, March 12th. Additional details at 12:30 p.m. Friday, the stage was 24.9 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late Monday morning to a crest of 36.7. Monday morning to Sunday, March 12th. At noon Friday, the stage was 25.9 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage Monday morning to a crest of 39.4 feet Wednesday evening. It will then fall below flood stage Saturday, March 11th. Flood stage is 37.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Ohio River at Shawneetown. From Monday morning to Sunday, March 12th. Additional details at 12:30 p.m. Friday, the stage was 24.9 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late